What's happening, guys? Welcome to another episode of Chuck's Hobby Spot, where every time it's a bunch of crap. So there you go, guys. Thanks for watching my crap. So anyway, what you guys see here is a gift a friend of mine gave me, a really good friend of mine, John Teresi. If you guys don't know who he is, look it up, John Teresi. I mean, his builds just blow me away. He is probably one of the best out there, in my opinion. There's a lot of good guys. He's up there. So if you guys have never heard of him, just Google John Teresi and you'll see what I'm talking about. But this here he gave me. It was my birthday. We were in Vegas and he brought me some stuff. And this is part of the stuff that he brought me. I said I'd bring something here and something there on my channel and show you guys what he gave me. But this here is from I think it's called Precision Miniatures. He used to work there, and it's kind of how he learned how to build and how to paint and stuff. And they're die cast, and he actually built this and he painted it, and it's probably 12 or 15 years old. I mean, and he's got a few of them, and he's gonna send me the decals and stuff to put on there. He didn't want to put them on just because of the fact that, you know, time will probably wear them out or whatever, but it's gonna have the dog catcher decals on them. And really awesome, man. I am like stoked. So I put this up in my cabinet over there, where a lot of my sentimental value stuff is and my better stuff is, so it stays in my cabinet. He also sent me, because he worked at this place, he sent me a bunch of wheels and stuff that he had just laying around. So these will go on some builds. A lot of wheels and a lot of tires. So I'm kind of stoked about these. These are actually like steels. So these are metal. So these are gonna look good on gassers and pro streets and stuff like that, nostalgia stuff. So there's a lot of them in here too. I'll probably never run out anymore. So John, thanks, buddy. There's an old Henry J I built like, I don't know, maybe 12 years ago. It's not one that we've done lately, but it's one I've done a long time ago. It's seen its days, its better days. So with that theme in mind, I wanted to show you guys where I'm at with the Henry J build that we're doing for the shop. So right now, this is the Henry J all mocked up. Let me take it out of here and I'll show you guys. It's all mocked up and how it's gonna be. So, and I'll show you guys. This thing takes a lot of work to get to a good quality level. So it all lines up. Right now it doesn't have the pins in it, but you can see they line up really, really nice. I drilled it already. I'm going to put like hood pins in it to latch it. This kit, if you guys are not familiar with the Henry J, it comes in 5 pieces in this hood. So it takes some time and some patience to make this thing right, and to make it seamless, to make it look like it's a one-piece tilt front end or something. And it probably took me to get this body work done, this and the body and the doors and everything fit together, a whole weekend just to get the body work done. That was not this weekend, but it was last weekend. So the hood is one piece here, and then a piece here, a piece here, a piece here, and a piece here. And there, I grafted them all together. You can't even tell. So the whole thing's been grafted together. It's been shaved. I'm actually really happy with it. It's challenging, man. If anybody's ever built this kit, the one thing they're gonna say about this kit is it's challenging. So, and if you don't, you got to be out of your mind, actually. But it's challenging for me. It's challenging also. So what I got in here right now is an Iceman resin engine. This is the big block Chevy engine with the dual dominators. And I had, I did a little work. I got it in here to fit in here. It fits really tight. I mean, I had to shoehorn it in here. But I used a different set of resin headers on here because the ones that came with this engine didn't fit over the frame. So it's in there. It fits really nice. I'm going to move this to here so it'll fit there and the pan will be free. And so I'm going to cut this off and I'll graft it onto here. But really, it looks like it fits really, really well. These engines are awesome. So if you guys haven't seen Iceman engines or any of his stuff, you guys got to check it out. I mean, they're clean and they're not hard to clean up. So everything that's resin printed, it's going to take a little bit to clean it, but this one here is not going to be too bad. I haven't even touched it yet. So, but man, 3D printing has come a long way. That's what I gotta say. 3D printing's come a long way. Resin casting it's still good if you find the right resin caster, and I'll show you in a minute. So this stuff here, Joel, thanks again for this beautiful stuff, man. It's just awesome. So here's the body for this car. It had seam lines everywhere on there. So I mean they were heavy. So, but I got it cleaned up and it came out pretty nice. So the whole thing came out really, really nice. So with that being said, oh, the doors, check it out. The doors are even clean too. So both doors are super clean. So this whole thing's mocked up. It's almost time to take everything apart and start prepping everything and getting it into paint. But check this out. I told you guys I was going to build a Henry J, right? Right? Well, guess what? I'm building two. And I did it again. This took me a whole weekend also, guys. So check it out. Seamless, man. Came out beautiful. But these things, if you have patience, these things, they can be awesome models. I mean, they're a challenge, and that's what I like about modeling. That's what everybody should like about modeling, is challenging, is having a challenge. And yes, this one will have another Iceman resin engine in it, and I'm using that mock-up on that one to make this one go quicker. So the doors on this one are all done too. Let me see if I can bring this back a little bit. So the doors on this one are all done, and everything's nice. I shaved part of this handle so that handle goes on nice and clean. I actually made got the striker and the receiver. So I drilled this. I'll have a striker on there and a receiver, and I'll probably put magnets to help the door close really well. So I did get two of these things prepped well. So now check it out. I told you I was going to build one. All right. I prepped the second one. I thought that was way above and beyond. Okay. Check this out. What came in the mail today. Now, these require a lot of work. And I got a comment. Okay. I got a comment on my YouTube comments, and it says, why don't you build this? And guess what? I ordered one before you even commented. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do a delivery Henry J also. So this here is a Jimmy Flintstone. These things require a lot of work. It had a lot of stuff in there. I kind of broke it out and stuff, but they require a ton of work. You think this one was hard to do. I'm pretty sure that this one is going to take me forever. This might not be done with the other two, but I want it done for GSL. It's pretty thick. It's got to be shaved down. It won't even fit the pan. So, and it came in a little twisted. I started straightening it back up again. They require a lot more work. Okay. So this needs to come down a little bit because it shouldn't be that thick. Everything's got to be rescribed. It's got residue everywhere. It lots of work. Like, look at that. Like the original one is all open here. This one's not. So I'll see what we're gonna do about that. It's thick. They require a lot of work. So even to get the pan in, this has all got to come out of here. So, but I don't remember who said it, but guess what? You were reading my mind. You know more about crap than I do. So with that being said, these things, resin can be a hit and miss, okay? So I want to show you guys something. A good friend of mine sent us for a review. And this is casted just like that. It's resin casting. And Lucas C, he's got the channel, Lucas C channel. He actually made me this. And I'm going to show you guys something, okay? How clean these are. I actually ordered a Fremont racing resin, and I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings, but it was garbage. And I was going to burn it on the channel, but I won't. I was kind of upset. But check this out. Look at this. Man, I don't even think... Look at this, man. There's nothing to hide on this thing. He does such fantastic work. I mean, I cannot. I've never ordered a resin casted part this nice. I mean, I hope you guys watch this video till this part, because it's awesome. I mean, look at this. Look how clean these are. Gosh, man, these things are so clean. And I know that they're selling these on Andy Hobby Headquarters order on his online store. So if you guys are interested in any of his stuff, I'm always saying resin stuff is a hit and miss. This is a hit out of the ballpark. It's a home run any day of the week, a grand slam. So I got my go-to guys for resin printed engines and resin casting, and man, I can't even. I'm giddy over this. It's so awesome. He also sent us over a hood, and I've ordered hoods before and just been so depressed about it that I was like, man, nobody makes a good hood. Now, Drag City Resins, they do, but look who's on the same page as those guys. I mean, these guys are all the same level. It's gorgeous, man. I mean, gorgeous. And he'll probably say, oh, yeah, I could do better, you know? And I'm sure he could. I take his word for it every time now. It's awesome. So... that's probably all I got going on right now in the shop. Not all. I mean, that's a lot going on. I've got it going on, pal. So I appreciate you guys watching this crap. I don't know why you do, but you do, and I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the comparison with resin and the update on all the Henry J's. 3 Henry J's, guys. 3 of them. Come on now. I'm dedicated to this now. And again, thanks, John, for the die cast, man. That was awesome. I thank you so much. So pretty much I'm going to end the video at this. So don't forget to comment, to like, subscribe, hit the bell. That helps a lot when you guys give me a thumbs up. I appreciate everything, guys, and you guys take care till the next video, okay? I don't know why you watch this crap, but thanks. Okay, bye, guys.